Ever wondered how you can build an email list and earn high-ticket commissions all at the same time? Here's how the ClickBank Super Funnel System by John Turnhill makes that possible, even if you're just starting out. First, this system flips the usual affiliate marketing model on its head. You don't start by grinding out content or creating your own product. Instead, your first step is to get paid to build your list fast, even if you have 0 subscribers. What's more, this system is designed to attract real buyers, not just freebie seekers, without wasting money on ads or navigating complicated funnel setups. While your list builds automatically, you're earning big. That means you could bank hundreds to thousands of dollars per sale, all in the background while your list continues growing. Early success is baked in too. One affiliate pulled in $50,000 by spending just 5 to 10 minutes per week on Facebook. Plus, getting started won't break your brain or waste your weekends. The entire funnel can be set up in just 7 minutes, even if you're brand new online. So if you want to watch your email list grow while earning high-ticket commissions without creating any product, this system is for you. Click below to register for this free training session and get started building your list while you earn. Click below to register for this training session and get started building your list while you earn right now.